Today we are going to revise lesson 3 and lesson 4. Okay. In maths, chapter 3 is coordinate geometry, then chapter 4 is linear equations in two variables. Okay, in that case we are going to see how to plot the points in the graph and then find the solution for the given linear equations. Sometimes they will give any situations to according the situation you have to convert the situation to the equation. Okay, first of all we have to see the locating points alone, okay, in the graph sheet. Okay, everyone take the graph note. Then split into the four quadrant. You know very well, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Yes, in the first quadrant both x and y is positive. In the second quadrant x value is negative, y value is positive. In the third quadrant both x and y also negative. In fourth quadrant x value is positive, y value is negative. Okay, often the right side should be the positive values, then left side is negative values. The same, y is above the line which was lies here. This is positive one, here it is negative one. How we can locate the points now? The center point is origin. This 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be goes on. Is it -1, -2, -3? We can take like a number line. Okay. Here also you have to go with 1 positive, 2, 3, 4. You people will write scale often. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So how we have to draw the graph? First of all, we'll split into 4 quadrants. The first quadrant is positive, positive, x value also positive, y value also positive. See the second quadrant, that is x value negative, y value positive. The third quadrant both also negative. This is fourth quadrant, that x value is positive, y value is negative. Okay children, for example, if they are giving plot the following points, given points, plotting the points. Okay, 2, 3. If they are given, first point is 2, 3, second point is 1, -1, third one is -2, -2, the fourth one is 0, 4. I'm giving 5 points now. Okay, 2, 0. The fifth one is 2, 0. See how we are going to locate now. Yes, the first one. Often you have to go with the first one as x. Okay, this is x value, this is y value. Where is the x positive 2 is there? 2 is here. X value is 2. Then you have to go with straight because that y value is positive only, no? Where it will be lies here. See, this is 2. The y value is 3 now. Then you have to keep a point and circle it. Near that you have to take 100, that is 2, 3. That is 2, 3. Okay ma. See the y value, see the second one now. That is 1, -1. X value is +1. Y value is -1. So it will reach in the fourth quadrant. It will come in the see the x value +1, y value -1. So it will be lies in the fourth quadrant, positive, negative. Have you noticed that? Positive, negative. This both also positive. Then what about this one? Where it will be lies? Both also negative, no? So it will come into the third quadrant. that x value is minus 2, y value also minus 2. So you have to plot here. Both x and y is minus 2 now. Minus 2 comma minus 2. See the fourth one, x value is 0, y value is 4. X value is 0. It is not moving any right side or left side. It is lies in 0 itself. Then you have to pass us through the line. Okay. So that axis alone you have to pass us here. 0 comma 4. X value 0, y value 4. In the sense it will be lies in y axis itself. Because it doesn't move any right side or left side. That is any positive value, any negative value, it doesn't have that one. Okay. See the last one, fifth point is 2 comma 0. That x value is 2, y value it is not rising. So it will be lies here itself dear, in that x axis itself. So what is this one? 2 comma 0. Okay, so this one also 2 also positive, these two also positive, these two also positive. In this case is 2 times 2 x and y also negative. Here one positive, one negative. So how now I thought how we can locate the points, how we can plot the points in the graph. In that next lesson they are given some examples. According to the situations, we can find, first of all we have to find the equation, then you have to plot like this. Okay, let us see now. See, for example, in that fourth lesson, if they are given one situation. See, what is the situation? They are given cost of 2 chocolates and cost of 2 balloons is 12 rupees. Rupees 12. We can use this situation and then we can find the answer. Sometimes they will give two situations. Then we will make it into two equations. Finally, the equations will meet in one place. You will get the x and y value. Now, how we can convert this one into the linear equation? We'll see that one alone now. For example, if you are taking let x be the cost of chocolates. Cost of one chocolate. Okay. Cost of one chocolate and y be the cost of balloon. Then how we can represent into the linear equation? Two chocolates, no? So 2 into x. We are going to add only the cost of 2 chocolate and cost of 2 balloons. In the sense, we are going to add that one. Then cost of 2 balloons. Cost of 2 balloons is equal to 12 rupees. Okay. According to this situation, we can find x and y value to assuming somewhat. If I am assuming x value is 1, that is cost of chocolate is 1, in the sense I can get the cost of balloon. How I can get this one? If I am replacing x value is here, I will get the y value. Sure, no? Let us see how it will be. 2 times into 1. Because I am guessing that cost of chocolate is 1 rupee. I am taking like that. Okay. So x value is 1. I'll get now y value. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2y is equal to 12. Then 2y is equal to 12 minus 2. What you will get? 12 minus 2. What you will get, dear? 10. Then y value is now 10 divided by 2. That y value is equal to 5. If I am taking the cost of chocolate is 1 rupee, what is the cost of the balloon, dear? That is 5 rupees. Okay. For example, if I am taking cost of chocolate is 2 rupees. If I am taking cost of the chocolate is 2 rupees, what I will get, tell me? 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 plus 2y is equal to 12. Then 2y is equal to 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. Okay, children. Then y value 8 divided by 2, what I will get? 4. So what is the cost of the balloon now? That is 4. According to the values, that another value will be changed here. We can get n number of prizes like that. Okay. After that, you have to put it into the box, x and y. See what is x value you got now? 1. Then if it is x value 1, what is the y value? That is 5. When x is equal to 2, what is y value? That is 4. Just we found here 2 measures. This one we can place it in the graph itself. That is our wish. Okay. If they are asking to plot, you can plot it, or else if they are asking to find the values alone, in the sense you can find the values alone here. Thank you, children. Let us see tomorrow in next topic. Okay. Thank you, children.